Welcome back to the Medellin Real Estate Investment Channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we're going over a property located in Patio Bonito in the El Poblado neighborhood that has been completely renovated. The current owners are a designer and an architect, and they did this one right. The first thing that you see is this first floor. This is a 2-floor apartment. This is the shared bathroom here. Love the aesthetics, love the micro cement work that they did on the on that sink. This is the kitchen area / living / dining room. This one is 115 square meters, which is about 1,200 square feet. And I loved how they worked with the space here. And this is the laundry room area where you can easily fit that stackable washer dryer. They're selling this completely furnished if you want to. So this is turnkey. You don't have to do anything. It's already done for you. I love the contemporary design and the decor, the color palettes. Everything is to my taste. And if you've seen my own personal Airbnbs, this is the type of property that I buy because these are good deals. You can buy this one as is. The listing price is at $178,000. It comes with all the furniture and stuff. So if you buy it at $178,000 and you net $1,700 per month on this one, the cap, obviously at 100% occupancy, the cap rate would be about 12% per year, very close to 12% per year. But that's assuming that you would net $1,700. The current owner is telling me that they rent this one out for $2,300 on Airbnb. So they're probably netting $2,000. So the cap rate's a little higher than 12%, assuming 100% occupancy. AirDNA told me that the occupancy rate on this one is 70%. In my experience, my properties are in the adjacent neighborhood. I love this bathroom, by the way. Look at this. They did such a great job. Occupancy rate for me is about 85%. So you're still looking at about a cap rate of 12% plus, depending on how well you do your marketing. And if you wanted to increase the price on it, maybe upgrade some of the things to increase price. This is Patio Bonito, all flat. So this is a great investment for two reasons. Number one, it offers a good return on investment. We're talking about a cap rate of 10% plus. The second reason is lifestyle. This is located in the Patio Bonito neighborhood, which is adjacent to Astorga, which is adjacent to Manila, which is adjacent to Parque del Poblado. It's a 14-minute walk to Provenza. So if you've got tourists coming in and you're renting this out, monthly, people can walk everywhere because it is flat, or they could take a cab ride or an Uber ride, which is like 4 minutes to all of the nightlife in Provenza. But it's walkable, meaning that there are a lot of co-working spaces, cafes, restaurants in the vicinity. So you don't have to go very far. And on top of that, it's very residential. 95% of the people that live here are all Colombian. And you don't have a lot of hotels or hostels in Patio Bonito. Most of them are in Manila or near the Parque Poblado area and obviously Provenza area. So you're away from all of that. And on top of that, you've got a high demand. So this is ideal for someone that wants to either live here full time or not live here at all and just put it up on Airbnb. Depending on your management company, you can get a pretty good return, talking about 10% plus. And on top of that, if you do visit, you're in a great area and it's a 2-bedroom. They had one of the bedrooms that they used as an office, but you can convert that into another bedroom. So I highly recommend you take a look at this. If this is within your budget, if you have a budget of $150,000 to $250,000, there's a link in the description to a spreadsheet that I've created with properties that meet those requirements, and it has all of the details on the properties. You can download it for free. Click on the link in the description and get it. Also, if you want to see some more awesome properties, make sure to check out this playlist right here.